Hello, welcome back to another video. For today's video is how to log in without recovery code. So first things first, you're going to go to Instagram and get into the login page. From here, you're going to hit get help with logging in. From here, it's going to take you to this trouble logging settings area. And then it's just going to want to verify that this is your username that's connected. And then you're going to go ahead and click next. And then it's going to take you to this help us recover your account, and it's going to send you a security code to either your phone number or email. And this is probably why you're here, is because it's either you have gotten a new phone or changed your phone number or your email account, or you've lost the password to that and you can no longer get into that email. So from here, there's actually a second option besides send security code to one of these two kind of things that you've already got connected to your account. This is where you're going to want to hit can't reset your password. And that's going to take you to this new page where it says try another way. You will answer request support questions. So I will just choose this one. Yes. So it's going to want you to put in a new contact email, the email used to create the account. So whichever email is already hooked up to it, and it's going to ask you questions like type of account, are you trying to access, what is the reason for this request, and try another info you can share in order to verify that this is you. Basically, Instagram is trying to verify that this is you trying to access your account. If someone else trying to steal your account, and then it's simple as putting it all this info, Instagram will send you a separate email to this new email, and from there, you'll go through this Instagram. It's just going to try and get you back in your account, and you should be good to go. So hopefully this helped you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and make sure to subscribe and like.